mind when you hear about Munnar? Of course, it's tea plantations. Right now, I'm in front of Lockhart Tea Factory, which is the first tea factory in Kerala. Here, I'm going to experience everything about the tea making process. I want you guys to keep watching and let's experience it together. Here you can see trucks loaded with full of tea leaves. The first process is loading these tea leaves into the factory through a lift. Come, let's see what are the processes. We saw how the tea leaves were loaded into the lift. Now I am at the third floor of this factory and here is where the tea leaves are collected. The next process is called withering. And you know what? This machine is 100 years old. It was the same machine that got installed when the factory was set up. Now let's see the next process. So this is where the withering process is done. So he is going to explain to us how the processes are. Let's ask him. Hi Cheta. Cheta name is
Ashok.
Okay. Cheta, ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരൂ ഇത് എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ് ഇതിന്റെ അടുത്ത പ്രോസസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്നുള്ളത്.
നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്ലാന്റേഷൻ വന്ന ലീഫ് നമ്മൾ വെയിറ്റ് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നമ്മൾ മേലേക്ക് ലീഫിനെ കൊണ്ടുവരും. വന്നിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇത് പ്രോസസ് വിതറിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയും. നമുക്കിവിടെ ഇതിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത്തും വിത്തും കൂടി നമുക്ക് കാണിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇത് കപ്പാസിറ്റി പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2250 kgs ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 75 ഫീറ്റും 15 ഫീറ്റുമാണ്. ലെങ്ത് 75 ഫീറ്റ് വിത്ത് 15 ഫീറ്റുമാണ്. വിതറിംഗ് പ്രോസസ്സാണ്. നോർമൽ ഈ ടി ലീഫിൽ 96% മോയ്സ്ചർ ഉണ്ടാവും. നമ്മൾ ആ മോയ്സ്ചർ റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഇത് എടുക്കുന്ന സമയം 20 hours ആണ്. നമുക്ക് 56% അതിന് മോയ്സ്ചർ നമുക്ക് വാങ്ങി. ഇതിന് ശേഷം നമുക്ക് സെക്കൻഡ് പ്രോസസ് റോളിങ്ങിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ കാണാം.
Okay, thank you. So what happens here is normal leaves consist of 96% of water. And for making the perfect black tea, they need only 56% of moisture. So in this process, hot air is passed through these leaves to reduce it to 56%. And then these leaves are collected to another hall where the second process is done. So let's see what the second process is. Come on.
This room is called rolling floor. The first floor is happened withering process. After withering, the leaves comes directly. This machine is called a rolling machine. The first rolling time for 50 minutes, the crushed leaf is rolling happen. After rolling break, we have the first fine. We receive right here. This machine is called screening machine, Googie.
What's the machine's name?
Googie.
Okay.
Machine. Screen by size. The first rolling break, we get a different kind of tea. The first fine is more the premium type of tea. It get more taste, flavor and aroma. This leaf go to fermentation room. The first rolling break, we get the first fine, go to for fermentation. We get the second bigger leaves. So we grind the leaf separately by water. We regrind again for this machine. Is for the taken for regrind again. 40 minutes more regrinding. So we get a fresh more. The same leaf again. came to screening by size.
Okay.
The second fine gets separately. Then we get the bigger leaves. We regrind again.
Okay, there.
So first 50 minutes, 40 minutes, 30 minutes. 120 minutes for the rolling time.
Okay.
This every machines are 100-year-old machines from British people.
Okay.
We are mainly the for traditional way.
Oh,
Yes, we are making for only leaf quality, just orthodox. It's not like for CTC. The CTC mix stems, fiber, everything. We are just making just leaf quality. We show the next process happens fermentation.
Yes, yes.
Fermentation nothing. We have a flavor, taste, aroma by natural color, by oxygen.
Okay.
So after rolling it's happened, you get a different grades.
Okay.
The same leaves are same. The rolling machines are same. The timing varies different.
Okay.
So we get that between times we get the different grades of tea by size. That's for fermentation. Normal visitors times we not allowed has a more strong flavor. So we get the vomiting. There's more strong flavor. You feel the flavor here?
Yes, yes, I'm getting the flavor. Okay.
It's a fermentation room.
Okay.
We get the first rolling break, we get the first fine, we get separately, we have with these places. So with the time for, we need for color comes very darker. And that's it's called for the chemical reaction from tea leaves. It's for the normal tea chemistry. The polypropylens and thiophene happen naturally by oxygen.
Yes.
For example, tell you, just we cut the apple, you keep separately 20 minutes, we turn black, the same happen on this black tea. So this between time the tea has some bacteria, so it will be less. It happen only for the black tea, the green tea, white tea, this process just only for the black tea. The first fine, second fine and third fine is for totally 3 different times only. The first 50 minutes crush leaf, we are keeping for 70 minutes. Between time get very darker. The second rolling leaves, the 50 minutes first rolling, second rolling 40 minutes. So 90 minutes rolling time. So between 30 minutes we leave it here. The third one we regrind again. So it's totally rolling time 120 minutes. So no need oxidation. So we directly can dry it. So it happened for fermentation for the black tea, no for green, no white.
Okay.
So the next process is dry.
Yes.
Please come.
Okay.
One by one. After fermentation, which happen here dry, you can get dry directly. This temperature we get here 105 to 110 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Just we leave it 22 minutes.
Yes.
So this is the first third. You can check this moisture, the 1/3, 2/3, and dry mode. For the, just directly we are bringing the leaf from the fermentation room. Just with that side, you can see here. We move to inside the machine. The first stage we get moisture 20 degree. The second stage for 90 degree. The dry mode here.
So that was for?
For drying the leaves.
Okay.
You can see after dry. You can check this moisture. You feel some hot.
Okay, it's very hot.
It's ready to tea. You can see is some black particles, is some brown particles.
Yes, yes.
Just black tea is tea leaves. The brown also the tea waste.
The browns are tea waste.
Okay. This for the black tea. This green tea is not had the oxidation. Green tea directly dried here. White tea know this process. The white tea maximum we can do by sun or the infrared to dry. There's a totally different process. The green tea directly dried is happened. We happen for blanching. We prepare the hot water, then we dip the leaves 22 minutes, then we dry. That is for the different process. So as a reason, black tea get more flavor. They have by color, by oxidation is a reason. The green tea is good not oxidation as is no color change. The green tea directly dry here. This first fine is a first rolling fine. The second fine and third fine dry over there. This is called dry road. After dry leaves, we pass the leaf that side. That's process called sifting room, sifting process.
Sifting process,
It's a cleaning, grading, size, then quality. That is sifting process. here, this process is called sifting room.
Sifting room.
Sift the leaves.
Okay, okay.
This leaf comes here. This machine is called fibro mat extractor.
Okay.
After dry, leaves get some hot. So dry leaves get some waste. The fiber condense by this mat supporter. We get leaves separately. The stems of fiber get separately.
Okay.
So you can see here, it gets some vibration. This process time, we get the leaf all get separately. You can see this 100% leaves.
Yes, sir.
You can see that is stems and fiber. That is the fiber.
There.
I will show this fiber.
Waste.
Yes, tea waste.
Okay.
For example, tell you we get the 21 tons per day leaves.
Yes.
We get the wastage for 17 tons moisture and fiber.
Okay.
It's no use. It's give only for dark color and strong liquor.
Okay.
So we get the leaf only. This is Orthodox pure leaves.
Okay.
So you this Orthodox give more flavor and calm color. CTC is leaf, stems and fiber. It express everything. As a reason, CTC get more dark color and strong liquor with stems and fiber. That's a different Orthodox and CTC.
Okay.
Orthodox is traditional made. There's only leaf quality, CTC, leaf and stems.
So in Orthodox there is no waste.
Orthodox is lot of waste. CTC have
yes. Okay.
no waste. It's blend everything.
Okay. Okay.
If you get more, it make hair color, t-shirt color made from the stems. It's a natural color. It's not an artificial. It's natural color. First we are remove the fiber, then we get the rest of leaf.
Yes.
We have segregation again and again.
Okay.
We get a different quality by size.
Okay.
We get the whole process again.
Is there any name for this machine?
Winnover.
Winnover. Okay. Winnover.
So again and again we get a lot of process. After dry, we get black tea ready. The sifting times, the size, cleaning and grinding in quality by size only.
Okay.
So we get a different size of cleaning, we get a different size of grades here. You can check.
So this is the final product?
It's not a final product. It's not finished. After sifting, we get the color sorting.
Oh, this is color sorting.
It's going on the sifting.
Oh, sifting.
So this color sorting.
Okay, okay.
That side, every machine is our traditional machine, 100 years old.
Okay.
This is latest technology machine. This machine is called color shortex.
Okay.
This machine have a 40 camera. This camera shot a color. You can see the difference. The leaves get separately. The stems all get separately. Look at the leaves get more dark, black. This is leaves.
Okay.
It gets more bone. These are the stick. This is stems only.
Stems. It's only stems.
These are the stems.
Okay.
So first we remove the fiber.
Okay.
Then we remove the stems.
Stems. Okay.
Then we clean again and again and again. We need more leaves. So 100% we get the good quality. Then we are packing.
Okay.
But before packing, we have the Salvi. This quality ensure size, appearance, infusing, liquor and value. This is our quality manager. Check the quality. It's okay. Then ready to pack.
So it's here you check the quality.
and we can sort the leaves and stems separately. For the cleaning process, then ready to pack. Final product of tea. Before we can sort the stems and big leaves get separately, then we this is the final product. This is good quality. You can see the leaves. This is the tea waste. So this second time, 1.5 days from garden to factory, get the black the leaves, then get the withering process, rolling, fermentation, dry, then for sifting process, then color sorting. This is our packing. This is our packing process. So we have the different name of grain. That's what the grain names. FPOP, TFPOP, TCPOP. This is for different quality. Quality ensured by quality controller. We get the quality for selfie, the size, appearance, infusing, liquor and value. This is our brand name. We're making for different brands, we're selling to different places.
Anyways, thank you so much, Cheta. Thank you for explaining the entire process in limited time. See you. That's all about tea making. It was a very different experience for me. We are all tea lovers, but most of us do not know the processes involved in tea making. Here we got an idea of all the processes. But very sorry guys, I'll not be able to explain the entire process. But I can name you the processes. It starts with plucking, spreading, withering, rolling, fermentation, drying, sifting, color sorting, packaging and dispatch. So these processes are exclusively for making black tea. Green tea and white tea do not have any process. So keep watching guys. Let me move to the other destination.